Sometimes I have to
Meow.
Sometimes you have to go to the bathroom and re-loop.
Oh my god.
When I played Valorant, I had to do that oftentimes because I just got fucked.
I don't know. I don't think my meowing is any good.
I mean, you're getting there. People who are like, meow, meow.
Yeah.
Are you even trying? Oh, that's not what a meow is.
I wish I could trill.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's trilling. I wish I could do that.
You cannot
same.
do the thing with your tongue?
No, I can't roll my tongue at all. This is a really good bird.
My mic is not picking that up. Skill issue.
Yeah.